Yo YouTube, this is the firing pin and recoil piston from Lakeline. Just making a video showing the parts, high quality, precision machined parts, good looking stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna install it in the gun now and let you know how easy it is. Says all you need is some eyewear and flat blade screwdriver camera, but right there is the new part in there. It's for the firing pin, the slide, and it came with new springs, so that's in there all good. Now it's time to put in the barrel and the new recoil spring. The recoil springs right here. So here is a little comparison. Steel spring, it's the dual spring, which is better than a single, but in this compact of a gun, you really want stainless hardware, less recoil and everything like that. Nice finish on these parts. And yeah, just gonna pop that guy in there like so. Set it, and yeah, you're done. Looks pretty good from the front as well. I am in the bit of a process to chroming this piece here. Tried my best. Didn't come out as nice as I'd want it, but I might do some touch up here and there, and the barrel as well. But that's that. Time to slap on a new sight and show you the finished product. Oh yeah, one thing I didn't mention was to oil all these parts. Probably should have done that before I put in the firing pin springs in there, but cycle it through, and you know, be able to work it in, I think, pretty well. Come on. Okay, now anybody who owns one of these knows the trigger is sometimes a little sloppy, so we'll see how that changes. So here's a click, here's a reset. I do have another trigger coming in the mail, so this will be upgraded as well, but I mean, I don't know, it's a huge difference, maybe a little bit more crisp. Like that wall is for sure there now. Before it was a little spongy, and the reset feels pretty good. Right there, that's pretty good. All right, not too bad. Time to unbox this sight. Got one off Amazon, ADE. Get this paper out of the way. ADE Tactical Reflex dot sight. I'll have the link down below for both. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Guess this is the instructions. Okay, we got the little adapter plate guy. I think no, it's just a gasket. Yeah, some instructions. Screwdriver, hardware, plate. But everything, what everybody wants to see is the actual red dot. So let's take this cover off. First time seeing it myself. Nice. A lot smaller than I thought, but you know, it is for a pistol, so. Nice. First setting, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay. So 7 and then back to 1. We got the adjustment, the adjuster. Probably make a separate video and go into the range with this thing. What else we got in here? Oop, dropping hardware out here. Got the adapter plate. Very nice, very nice. I mean, for the price, guys, like, not bad quality. And they send you this cute little coin with the crown on it. It's kind of childish. And then another flathead for adjusting. Alright guys, so let me install that and I'll show you what the gun looks like after it's all done. Alright, and there it is. Installed the ADE Advanced Optic Crusader. It's the RD3009. I bought it off Amazon. It was like $89 with the plate. I mean, from just looking at it and putting it on the gun, I highly suggest this as like a beginner red dot, or somebody's first red dot. I think it looks great on the gun. Sized well, not too big, not too small. Honestly, it looks bigger on camera too because perspective, but yeah, I will link everything below, and you know, comment what you guys think I should do next to the gun. But yeah, next video I'll be shooting this thing and showing it off. Thanks. Have a good one.